Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something crazy. We're going to turn your Android phone into an anonymous browsing machine using Termux, Tor, and proxy chains. Your ISP? They can't see nothing. Websites? They see a completely different IP address. And the best part? It's 100% free. No VPN subscriptions. No BS. Let's get into it. Once you have Termux open, let's update everything. Type this, package update and in package upgrade. Why? The Y flag automatically says yes to everything. This makes sure we have the latest packages. Next, let's install Tor. Type package install Tor. This is the engine that's going to route our traffic through the Onion network. Now let's install proxychains. Type package install proxychains-ng. This is the wrapper that forces all our commands to go through Tor. Type Tor and watch the magic happen. You'll see a bunch of log messages. This is Tor connecting to the network. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. Bootstrapped 100%. We're connected to the Tor network. Type proxychains for curl http://iconhazip.com. Boom. That's a completely different IP address. That's a Tor exit node in another country. My ISP sees nothing but encrypted data. This is crazy.